I'm here with a table full of boxes and bags from the past week. I've been doing some shopping, of course, at Bloomingdales, so I got a little skincare, a little makeup, a whole thing of samples from my personal shopper, and of course something to open from Louis Vuitton, which is actually a follow-up to something else that I unboxed on here. So I want to let you know my opinion on this item and the reaction that it's been getting. First, with this box right here, came to the door from Bloomingdales. I think I talked about these items on my Instagram, and I love them. I first bought them at Sephora, and then I saw Bloomingdales had them. So of course I want my points, my dollars to use on other items, so I bought it there the second time. The primer setting spray, and they go with the Air Flash foundation that I use. This is my airbrush foundation for them, and I do have a spare in the drawer. So this is the foundation that I use, and then this is the mist. Let me show you the brush. It's the brush, and it's actually, it has makeup on it right now. I just cleaned it. I clean my stuff like every couple days. But it is, just touching this is like touching cotton. It is just wonderful, and I just do it like that. You know, so I spray my face, or sometimes I just spray the brush and then blend it in as much as I want to, as much or as little. Honestly, this right here is a great trio. So I know I have Dior lovers out there. So check it out if you haven't checked out this product, these products. What else is in my little brown bag? Let's see. Okay, this is something else she recommended and picked out. It's from Clinique. I wanted a more of a nudie type liner. I have red liner, but I wanted more of a nude for all the glass that I do wear. So from Clinique, this is the number 10, and it is the intense lip liner. Can you see that? And this is the pencil. There you go. Can you see it? It's a very nice and nude. I love this item. Since I wear the magnetic lashes now especially, I love this. I actually have another box, but it's consumable product, so when it's on sale, I'm going to buy it. It's Chanel, and it is the eye makeup remover. Has no oil in it. I love this because I use this to take off my eye makeup, of course, and to get my lashes moistened up enough to gently remove. I absolutely love it. A couple more items in the little brown bag. Gone through one jar, working on a second one, so if this one was going to be 15% off, I was getting it. It's the Jo Malone Body Scrub. Our last item in the little brown bag. Is that how you pronounce it? They're cleansing sheets for my first go round when I'm removing makeup before I do my cleansing. This is what it looks like unpacked. So you see there's the, I like that too, that it has actual plastic with a snap that clicks it shut. I didn't like the ones with the little tape tabs on the top. Today, Bloomingdale's loves giving samples, so we all know the tape. We all know the tape. And they're so sweet. They sent me a little bag in the box. I guess this is my receipt. There's going to be no take backsies on this, but these bags and the magnetic boxes are like my faves. My faves. I had unboxed this item barely a month ago. This is for the Étoile Filante. That is the new fragrance that released at the, I believe it was the last day of January, or the last business day of January. And as I had told you in the video, when you run out, you get this one. So this is a smaller box, and these are just refills. It's not another atomizer. You don't buy the full entire set again. I'm going to show you the size difference. This was the original set. This is your refill set. See that? So it's smaller. So you can refill that atomizer as much as you want without having to go through and buying a whole new set. Okay, so, and also unlike the larger fragrances where you have to go and fill it in, you just buy more cartridges. That's it. So what do I think of this perfume? Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And I will tell you, I am not an over sprayer. However, when I was on the way to Vegas, we were in the airport, I went and got a coffee. You know, I'm walking down, keeping myself distance, walking back to my husband, and a lady came running up behind me. And she was from Ukraine, and she was with her boyfriend or her partner, and she says, what are you wearing? They had walked past me in the other direction, and I guess they caught a whiff. And that's the kind of scent that it is. And the day that I had sampled it, I put it on the back of my hand in the store. We left, did a couple errands, and then went home. And something just kept drawing me back to my hand, drawing me back to my hand. And it was this scent. It wasn't attacking me. It was just such a good smell. So she walked past me, turned around, followed me in this socially distanced panorama, panini, pandemic, and said, what are you wearing? And then yesterday, I was out to the doctor and got another compliment. I got 2 compliments on it. So if you are looking for a spring scent or just a new scent, the Étoile Filante is beautiful. Yeah, I ordered this already. So that is my follow-up on that. Following up, I might as well follow up on these. My Starboard Flat Espadrilles. I actually got to wear them on a day trip. We went into the city. I decided to wear those. And from Bloomingdales, I bought these amazing no-show socks. And they have a little pad right there for your front part of your foot, for the ball of your foot. And then your foot goes in here, and there's a little sticky back there that kind of holds your foot in place, like that. It was a perfect combination. I did get to walk in the shoes for a while. I mean, I don't walk like hours and hours, but they did great. I felt comfortable in them. Didn't have any pain, anything like that. You know, didn't hurt my lower back. They feel really good. I actually really like these espadrilles, and I think I still like them better than my Chanel espadrilles. If you're hesitating, watch my video because I have important sizing information about those shoes. But as for wearing them and being out and about, they did fine for me. Yeah, I just wanted to share these. I had these boxes and bags piling up, and I was like, well, I want to share all this because it was a great sale. And then the fragrance came yesterday, so I was like, I can put all of this together and give you guys an update on all these items, you know, like these and like the shoes that I had unboxed before. Thank you for watching if you made it all the way this far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit notifications. If you want to follow me on TikTok, please feel free to do so. It is not a scary place. It's actually a pretty fun place. So I will see you guys later. Bye.